Hey, it's Tay, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you're watching me apply makeup in a thunderstorm. I wasn't too sure what I was going for in the beginning, but I knew I was doing something bright, so like with any bright eyeshadow, I apply a nice bright base. So in a second, you're about to see how nice all this blends out. But does my hair look good with my eyes, or what? Smooth and creamy. Great, so now that's all blended out. I'm going in with the James Morphe palette and a deep purple, applying to the crease. So the brush I'm using is actually an e.l.f. brush, and I'm going in and just blending that out a little bit. I wanted it to be super purple, so I went in with my Urban Decay palette, the electric one, which is my absolute favorite. I love the purple in there. And then with the baby pink color from the James Morphe palette, I'm just going in and blending that out so everything looks nice and soft. This could take a while. So I did start off with a macering on my eyes from the James Morphe palette, but it wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be, so then I just made it extra by applying even more green from the electric palette. And I'm just packing on some more green because the brush wasn't really doing me too much justice, and I want this to be bright. So instead of doing a cut crease like I usually do, I just wanted to see how the green and the purple blended together. I know that that doesn't really sound right, but at the end of this video, I think it looks pretty bomb. Now trust me, I know a girl needs to do those eyebrows, but luckily I can see past things like this when I'm doing my makeup. I'm just letting you know that I know so that you don't let me know as if I don't know, but a girl knows. So that Ruby Kiss green eyeliner that I showed you earlier, I'm going in my waterline with that and all on my crease. So with that same electric palette by Urban Decay, I'm just mixing the blue and the purple together, and I'm just sweeping it underneath of my waterline. So whenever there's fallout in the inner corner of my eyes, I usually just touch it up with some white eyeshadow. I want it to look brighter anyways, so I figured why not. Applying that neon in the corner of my eye. To create some highlight, I'm just going in with the pearly blue in the corner of my eye to brighten things up a bit. This one's from the one from James Morphe palette, but you do not need to use any of the same products that I have to recreate the look. So, quick update. I love doing my makeup outside so much, but it just started pouring. But I'm actually okay with that. I was kind of just like letting things happen around me until I realized it was raining. So yeah, I'm going to stay out here. And because it doesn't look like it's going to last that long. Sun, please. See, it's getting sunny already. Hopefully that didn't jinx it. So I really want to put some glitter on here somewhere. I don't know where though. So I've just been kind of like blending everything out, making it look softer. That's pretty much it. It was getting really dark for a second. Like I thought we were going to be in the middle of a tornado. But everything's alright. My face is still here to save the day. Yeah. So after applying your glitter glue in the corner of your eye, you're going to pack on some gold glitter. This one is NYX, and the glitter glue is from NYX. I love this brand so much, and all of the glitters are absolutely amazing, and they up their game in everything. So even though I was using glitter glue and I was applying it to a certain spot, I kind of just ended up throwing it all over the place anyway because I love it that much.
We're going full glitter today.
I don't know why, but I thought dragging glitter down my nose was a good idea.
Decided I'm going to be a fairy today, so
That's where the glitter comes in place. Now just going back to doing what I usually do, just applying that winged eyeliner because that's the look that I'm going for, and I'm just going to bring it up to that neon point. Since I'm having such a memorable moment with this glitter, I'm going to apply it to my eyebrows, because why not? So yes, the green did not turn out as bright as I wanted it to be, but that is alright, because when the lashes pop on, you don't really see it anyway. Unless I do that. Now that my eyes look like the sky, and my hair looks like the green earth, I can sleep a lot better now. Mother Nature has supplied me with a look. If you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Drop some sun in the comment box below or subscribe to my channel.